To cut out photo in Canva, let's come over to our photo editor here. From here, you can upload the photo you want to cut out. I'll click on upload to bring in my photo. From here now, I'm going to come over to Magic Studio here and slide here and come over to Magic Grab, and I'll click on Magic Grab. For me to grab this image, I have to open it in the design. I'm going to click on open in design. I'm going to click on this image and I'm going to click on grab. The grabbing process is completed, and now if I drag this image, you will see that it's separated away from the background. If you want to export this cutout image away from Canva, I'm going to click on the background and take it out. I want only the cutout image. Click on the share button here and click on download. And I'm going to select transparent backgrounds. When I download this image, it will download without any background and it will be a cutout image.